Hello, everyone! Welcome to FlowSpace 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Orange Level Unit 17. We will study 12 new vocabulary words. The words are approximate, construct, crude, decline, distinct, evident, impulse, interpret, orient, sector, submit, and zest. Let's read, think, and learn together. Let's get started. Our first word is approximate. Say it with me, approximate. Approximate can be an adjective and a verb. As an adjective, approximate means almost exact or correct. As a verb, approximate means to come close to or approach. For example, the approximate age of a fourth-grade student is 9. Another example is, the dog's howls approximate the sound of a wolf baying at the moon. Some synonyms are estimated and near. One antonym is exact. Can you approximate the distance between your desk and the desk next to yours? When do we use approximate numbers? Our next word is construct. Say it with me, construct. Construct is a verb. It means to make or build by fitting parts together. For example, Dad and I used scraps of wood to construct a birdhouse. Another example is, we used blocks to construct a tower. Some synonyms are compose, create, and build. Some antonyms are destroy and ruin. What is something you can construct? What steps do you need to construct your favorite sandwich? Our next word is crude. Say it with me, crude. Crude is an adjective. It means done or made without skill or care. For example, you can make a crude bookshelf from a few bricks and a piece of wood. Another example is, the drawing looked crude but creative. Some synonyms are basic, simple, and rough. Some antonyms are fancy and sophisticated. What is something crude that can still be useful? How can practice make crude work better? Our next word is decline. Say it with me, decline. Decline can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, decline means to refuse to accept or do something. As a noun, decline means a decrease in influence, strength, or amount. For example, I have to decline the invitation to the party because I am sick. Another example is, a poor diet can cause a decline in health. Some synonyms are reject, weakening, and decrease. Some antonyms are accept, increase, and strengthening. Can you use each meaning of decline in a sentence? When is it polite to decline an invitation? Our next word is distinct. Say it with me, distinct. Distinct is an adjective. It means not alike or different from others. For example, you can tell the two kittens apart because one has a distinct white stripe on its tail. Another example is, each bird has a distinct song. Some synonyms are definite, one of a kind, and different. One antonym is similar. What makes two things look distinct from each other? What is one distinct feature you have? Our next word is evident. Say it with me, evident. Evident is an adjective. It means clear or plain to see. For example, the muddy paw prints made it evident that the dog took the sandwich. Another example is, it was evident that she had practiced a lot. Some synonyms are obvious and noticeable. Some antonyms are unclear, hidden, and unknown. What clues can make something evident? Why is evidence important? Our next word is impulse. Say it with me, impulse. Impulse is a noun. It means a sudden wish or urge to do something. For example, when the movie reached the scary part, I had the impulse to cover my eyes. Another example is, on impulse, he bought the colorful kite. Some synonyms are desire, inclination, and urge. One antonym is aversion. When was the last time you had an impulse to do something? What did you do? Our next word is interpret. Say it with me, interpret. Interpret is a verb. It means to explain the meaning or importance of something. For example, the doctor will interpret the lab results. Another example is, we tried to interpret the poem carefully. Some synonyms are define, clarify, understand, and explain. One antonym is misunderstand. Why is it important to interpret information carefully? What kinds of information do people need to interpret? Our next word is orient. Say it with me, orient. Orient is a verb. It means to adjust or adapt to a new or unfamiliar situation. It can also mean to find one's position in new surroundings. For example, it took a few seconds for my eyes to orient themselves to the bright sunlight. Another example is, it took time to orient myself in the new school. Some synonyms are familiarize, adjust, and adapt. Some antonyms are disorient and confuse. Tell your partner about a time when you had to orient yourself to new surroundings. How did you do it? Our next word is sector. Say it with me, sector. Sector is a noun. It means a part or division of something. It can also mean the part of a circle between two radii. For example, each grade cleaned a different sector of the park. Another example is a pizza slice is like a sector of a circle. Some synonyms are piece and segment. One antonym is whole. What sector of a circle looks like a pizza slice? Can a city have different sectors? Our next word is submit. Say it with me, submit. Submit is a verb. It means to present or hand in something. It can also mean to surrender or give in. For example, please submit your homework by Friday. Another example is he submitted the form online. Some synonyms are turn in, present, yield, and obey. Some antonyms are defy and resist. When do you submit schoolwork? Why is it important to submit on time? Our last word is zest. Say it with me, zest. Zest is a noun. It means a strong interest or enjoyment. It can also mean great enthusiasm. For example, the explorer had a zest for adventure. Another example is she sang with zest and energy. Some synonyms are enthusiasm, passion, and interest. Some antonyms are apathy and dullness. What activity do you do with zest? How can zest help you learn? Great job today! You learned 12 new vocabulary words in Orange Level Unit 17. Let's read them one more time. Approximate, construct, crude, decline, distinct, evident, impulse, interpret, orient, sector, submit, and zest. Keep practicing these words. Use them in your own sentences to remember them better. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next unit. Bye.